In this today's civil experience video, we will learn about the role and responsibilities of the contracts manager. Before start the video of the role and responsibilities of the contracts manager, subscribe Civil Experience YouTube channel for more learning lesson. Number 1. The quality, profitability, program and safety on a number of contracts or projects. Number 2. Forward planning and detection and avoidance of potential problems. Number 3. Ensuring that each agent or project manager employs economic use of resources to fulfill the requirements of quality plans and contractual obligations. Number 4. Selection, motivation, training and development of site staff. Number 5. Job reviews of subordinate staff. Number 6. Negotiating with clients. Number 7. Negotiating with subcontractors and is ultimately responsible for their selection. If you gain some value from this civil experience video, then like and subscribe for more video regarding role and responsibilities of the agent, site manager and project manager.